Hello, today I am going to show you how to allow apps to access the storage Android device. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just simply go to your phone settings, but make sure that you are using the updated version of your phone settings. So in order to avoid conflict or to avoid any lags and problems, you must make sure also that everything on your phone device is updated, as well as the applications and other features of your phone settings. So to start, you just have to swipe down or look for the gear icon, which is your phone settings. Tap this one. Now scroll down and look for privacy. Okay, I think that's under convenience tools. Tap app permission. So as you can see here, these are the features and permissions. So if you're going to allow this to get access to your application, then all you have to do is just simply go to your application. And as you can see here, we are on the storage. All you have to do is simply turn on this green button here. So if you turn this one on, or if you allow permission, or if you allow this application to have permission to use your camera, to use your contacts, to use everything on your phone device, then that means that your information is not that really safe or it is exposed. For example, you let this application have access to your location. Probably the people using this application might know your location as well as your contacts or your activities in short. So if it's okay with you, then you have to turn on everything here. Okay, allow this application to have access to these features here. Okay, so in that way, it will allow application to access the storage of your Android device. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.